Cutting across to my colleague Nikhil, who's live from Nidhi's residence, the so-called friend who came forward yesterday and made a statement. Nikhil, the testimony of any witness in any particular case can be credible or not so credible, depending on the kind of content they are putting out, and more importantly, whether it can be corroborated with other piece of evidence as well. The presence of alcohol in in the victim's blood or in the reports that have come out has been a subject matter of debate. And that becomes very important for the simple fact that if Anjali was drunk on that night, it somewhere makes the case of the prosecution weak, because contributory negligence, that aspect of the law, would be brought in when the trial really happens. Tell us what Nidhi has said so far, and is there evidence to corroborate what Nidhi is saying so far?
So, Anusha, there is some of the discrepancies which has now come out in the public domain after the statement which was done yesterday with the media persons by Nidhi, who is said to be one of the witness and a companion of the deceased person. She said yesterday, and I quote, that मेरी friend ने drink की हुई थी. She was under the influence of the alcohol. But with the PM report, Anusha, which is now out finally, which has been given to the family members as well, and as has been consulted and decoded by the family doctor of the victim's family, Mr. Chaurasia, he has been saying that in the PM report there is no mention of the alcohol which has been found in the intestine, and as far as the further report is concerned, it is only mentioned that semi-digested food is something which was found in the body parts of the deceased person. So this is one such reason why the suspicions are raised over the statements made by Nidhi. Another is the thing which where she has said that she also got injured, her phone got broken. But in the CCTV visuals, we have seen that she came very safe and sound. And also, if we talk about the CCTV, this is the particular CCTV which we are referring to here. Camera person Ravi Ranjan is showing you the CCTV which has captured the movement of one of the witness, Nidhi. I would urge my camera person to move a little, forward where the exact location of the residence of Nidhi is. So we have seen that in this particular stretch, as seen in the CCTV as well, Nidhi had reached towards her location. This is the residence on left hand side. This is the residence of Nidhi. She had gone inside. She had rang the door at about 2:30 a.m. in the morning, and what we can assume with the visuals that we have seen, that she came here in the safe and sound condition. She also asked for the charger from one of the neighbor who lives nearby. But in the statement given to media person, she had said that her phone got broken. This is the reason why she was not able to make a distress call or ask for help for the Anjali, who is now no more. This is the reason. But now, hearing to the statement in the public domain by the family member, Anjali, uncle of Anjali, they are saying on one side that they are satisfied with the investigation done by Delhi police, but on the other side, they are seeing some of the foul play from the end of the Nidhi. So now it is on the Delhi police. Are they going to further investigate the matter, the role of Nidhi in this entire case or not? Because still yesterday, Anusha, if you remember, the family members were satisfied to the core with the PM report when it was handed over, that there is no foul play, no sexual assault as well. And this is the reason why we have seen late yesterday night that
Nikhil,
the cremation part was done very much smoothly.
Nidhi's role and whether she's a friend or not is something we've been talking about, and something I think that was also asked from Anjali's family, that was she really a friend? And the mother said, well, I've never really met her. The key question that emerges is what kind of relationship Anjali had with Nidhi. I also remember that CCTV footage that we had played out exclusively here, where it was seen that there was some kind of altercation that happened between Anjali and Nidhi right before they went on that scooty and left towards their home.
Well, if you remember yesterday when the eyewitness and the companion of Anjali, when she came out for the first time in front of the media, yesterday was the only day when the statements were recorded of her with the Delhi police under the special provisions of the CRPC Act 164. So now it is on the Delhi police. Are they going to further verify the facts and the statements which have been given by Nidhi? Are they true to the facts or not? This is something which is now on the Delhi police to tell further as to how they are going to further investigate the matter. And as far as the today's development are concerned, Anusha, a team of the Delhi police officials, they had reached at this particular residence only. They had gone inside. They stayed here for a few minutes. What exactly is the reason that the Delhi police witnessed here is something which we will get to know in a short while from now. But no official statement is out from the Delhi police's side as well. Were they here for recording the fresh statement, or were there some of the questions which were to be raised to Nidhi? This is something which is all a part of the investigation. But some of the discrepancies are also coming out because of the emergence of the CCTV in place. The timings are also important. So the role of the Delhi police becomes crucial here. On one side, we are, reporting that the Delhi police, they were performing the careless attitude on that particular day. A report has been filed by Shalini Singh, who is the special commissioner, as broken by Arunima exclusively on CNN News18, that there were some of the lapses also on that particular day. But now, how willing are they to take the investigation further? And is the role of Nidhi going to be further evaluated? Okay. It is on the Delhi police side to tell us. And also, as far as the family is concerned, they have not yet filed a fresh complaint as far as the role of her friend is concerned. Back to you,
Well,
Anusha.
the matter is already under investigation, and the Delhi police has all the power, capacity and the authority to investigate a new angle if they think there's some kind of foul play from the end of Nidhi. Now, I want to tell you more twists and turns that have emerged in this entire case so far, especially after the statement of Nidhi. Now, Nidhi said that both of them were heavily drunk. That's what she said. The family has questioned that claim, and there is no trace of alcohol found in the body. Conclusively, that post-mortem report says so. The family doctor has made that statement. Now, all of the claims made by Nidhi are baseless. That's what the family members are saying, that the manner in which Nidhi is talking, there's something suspicious about it. The mother even goes on to say, I don't even know if she was a friend. Nidhi was out of picture for about 2 days. The key question that emerges is that did the Delhi police know about the existence of Nidhi on that fateful night, or it is only something that came to the knowledge of the Delhi police after media started reporting on this matter? Where did Nidhi really come from? I mean, the fact that the family does not know her, was she a close friend? There's an altercation that Anjali and Nidhi had on that fateful night. What are the details of all of that? The report shows it was a planned murder. This is also something that the family is saying, that perhaps we need to look at this angle as well, that was there any kind of a foul play? What kind of a friend, or forget a friend, a human being won't report a crime of this nature? Suppose you see a person getting stuck, below the wheels of a car. Even if you're not a friend, you're going to make a distress call. Nidhi did not do that, and that's the key question. Let's also listen in to what Anjali's family doctor said on the claims made by Nidhi, especially about the presence of alcohol.
अल्कोहल पाया जाता तो इसमें लिखा होता कि केमिकल वहां पर जो है अल्कोहल मिला है। अगर उसमें स्टमक में वो ये कह रहे हैं सिर्फ फूड पार्टिकल मिला है, मतलब कि अल्कोहल कहीं से कहीं तक नहीं था। पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट के हिसाब से अंजलि का जो ब्रेन है वो अभी भी मिसिंग है। जो उसका भेजा था, जिसको हम ब्रेन कहते हैं, वो 5 से 6 किलोमीटर की बर्बरता के बाद कहीं कंजावाला रोड पे गिर गया और ब्रेन जो है वो मिसिंग है। और ये ब्रेन मिसिंग होने के बाद में जब मैंने पोस्टमार्टम में देखा, इसको भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा, ब्रेन मैटर मिसिंग। पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट के हिसाब से उसके शरीर पे तकरीबन 40 इंजुरीज आई हैं। एक इंसिडेंट होता है, 2 लोग एक ही स्कूटी पे हैं, एक बच्ची के साथ इतना घनन अपराध हो जाता है, वो मर जाती है, और एक बच्ची जो है वो सडनली एक साइड हीरोइन की तरह 75 घंटे 80 घंटे गायब होती है और सडनली प्लांट होती है कि भैया मैं भी उस वाक्य में थी और ऐसा ऐसा हुआ। तो मैं निधि के सारे आरोपों को बेबुनियाद बताता हूँ। सिर्फ एक ही पर्पस है कि अंजलि को इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए और हम अंजलि को इंसाफ दिलवा के रहेंगे।